Hi everyone, so we're here today for the SAT question of the day for September 13th, 2011. 40% of students answered this one correctly. So kind of a hard question, it's a math question, so let's go ahead and read it. A right circular cylinder has height 6 and volume 54 pi. What is the circumference of its base? Okay. So the first thing we need to know is the formula for the volume of a right circular cylinder. Now, not too many of you may have memorized that, but luckily at the beginning of every SAT math section there is a list of geometrical formulas, and the formula for the volume of a right circular cylinder is in fact there. So you don't have to memorize it, but here it is. Volume equals pi r squared h. Okay, and conceptually that makes sense if you think about it. If you imagine a cylinder as just a bunch of circles piled on top of each other, essentially what you're doing is you're taking the area of the base, which is pi r squared, same as the area for a circle, and then just multiplying it by the height. Okay, so let's go through this. So volume equals pi r squared h. Okay. Let's substitute 54 pi underneath for the volume, and then plug in 6 for the height. So we get 54 pi equals pi r squared times 6. We've got pi on both sides of the equation, so we can cancel that out. We then divide both sides of the equation by 6, which gets us 54 divided by 6 is 9. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So 9 equals r squared. And then 3 is our radius. Okay, and then once we have our radius, we can go ahead and use the formula for the circumference of a circle. So circumference equals 2 pi r. We plug in 3 for the radius, so it becomes 2 pi 3, 6 pi. So the answer is C.